The clinical trials mechanism in the United States and really worldwide has been very inefficient. It's a very slow process, and particularly now in what we would call the genomic era, where we know about the patient's underlying molecular profile, it can be a very slow process because that may only be a small subset of patients. So of all the drugs that go into development for cancer, very few of them actually get approved, probably only about 15%. So that entire process needs to be changed. We're wasting a lot of money and we're wasting patient resources. We need to figure out how to help patients, help more patients, help them faster, and get better drugs approved for them. So this has been described as an umbrella approach. So compared to developing a single drug with a single target, molecular target, this umbrella approach takes multiple targets and multiple drugs all within the same protocol and develops them simultaneously. The reality is we thought of it 10 years ago. The problem is that we didn't have the appropriate tools. So the revolution in understanding the molecular biology and the complexity of human cancer, that information that has come out, and new drugs against those molecular targets, and what we call biomarkers, that's something you can measure in the tumor, that you can measure that target. Those are the tools we needed to be able to accomplish this, and now we have them. For the patient, the benefit is that we test their tumor. We test for over 200 genes, and then we're able to select a drug that is the highest likelihood of benefiting them. So instead of being put into a big trial where we don't have a clue whether the drug is likely to benefit them more or less than another patient, this way they are hand-picked to try to get the drug that would help them the most. In this case, the world is watching, because a lot of people working in other areas of cancer research or even non-cancer, they want to see if this master protocol approach can be successful. If it is successful, this will transform how we develop cancer drugs.